Hey, what's up, Christopher? This is Corey. Mark told me that you'd be the best person to send over the screencast to. But I'm just going to shoot over three free tips that you can actually apply to your website to help draw in more business. Just ultimately outrank your competition and get those quality leads that you're striving to get. I got your website pulled up here. Love the layout of it. Looks absolutely fantastic. So the first thing I actually want to go over is content. I would beef this up a bit. I like to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just being really authoric in what you do and how you do it will make a huge difference. Even what your these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Instead of having book, you can actually put keywords back there, and that'll make a huge difference. And one more thing I would do as well, I would do some sort of call out, a percentage off, money off, free estimate. Oh, there's your call out right there. Yeah, just do some sort of call out. It'll help navigate people on where to go. If I just go inside of Google and just type in heating repair Sacramento, this is what's going to pop up every time. You got these Google guarantees right here. That's just another form of paid advertisement. A lot of people, a lot of business owners got so tired of these spammy phone calls. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spam calls. You have the old school traditional ads right underneath of it. You do. There's only one there, but they put the rest of them down there at the bottom as well. I don't know why they do that sometimes. But a lot of people have been going away with ads just because of all that spammy phone calls that's been coming through those ads. This little map section right here for the rankings here really comes down with what's called a citation. What a citation is, it's just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So we'd want to go get those same citations that your competition has. We don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. Citations come down to like City Star, Local Best. You got the BBB, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's thousands of them out there, by the way. Underneath that little map section, we got this little organic area. This is really what's on your website, how much authoric content that you have on your pages. Plus, we need enough content in there so that way we're layering in those keywords on what people are actually searching for, and what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website. That's just ultimately pushing power back to it. So not all backlinks are actually created equal. If we take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool. It just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Looks like your site is brand new. It didn't have too much work in the last 3 months or so. Looks like you started this thing in August of 2020. So right now you got 45 referring domains, which is pushing back 529 backlinks. You did have some backlinks fall off because you were about 601. You're being ranked for 329 keywords. Looks like you are running an ad as well. Your organic traffic to your site. All the organic traffic is about 110 clicks every month to your site. And if we go inside those keywords, I can actually see where those clicks are actually coming from. You have your name for a lot of them. You got AC Repair Elk Grove, CA. There's 40 clicks, but you're missing all the traffic because you're 10th position. Air conditioning service, Sacramento, CA. There's another buyer's intent keyword, 50 clicks every month. Looks like you're actually running the ad on that keyword there. But you're 22nd position for your website for that keyword, so you're missing all the organic traffic from it. If I show you one of your competitors here, this is Jaguar Heating and Air. We can actually put them inside of Ahrefs. I want to do a quick overview for you. They got 121 referring domains, which is pushing back 382 backlinks. 517 keywords they're being ranked for, and they're getting about 242 clicks to their site. This is all just from our organic traffic, by the way. They got their name at the top. So some of these buyers intent keywords, third position on heating and cooling, Sacramento, CA. There's 20 clicks every month there. Roseville, air conditioning repair, 90 clicks. HVAC Sacramento, CA, 70 clicks every single month. They're getting quite a few clicks out of there as well from these keywords. So imagine if we were actually ranking for all these keywords with 40 clicks, 50 clicks, 90 clicks, 100 clicks, and imagine if we're first, second, third position on all these keywords. On average, I like to be around 15 to 20% of volume wise for going after those certain keywords, which really to get there comes down to that content and high authoric backlinks. Anyway, if you see any value or would love to talk a little bit further, you can reach me at my direct line, 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.